I'm Rahul Gudipudi, Senior Curator at the Center for Art Research and Alliances, or CARA, in New York. And I'm currently working as part of the Kyoto team for the second Contemporary Art Biennale in Diriyah. After Rain for me personally evokes a strong sense of regeneration and rewilding, but also the phrase evokes a sense of stillness with the possibilities of abundance. While researching for the biennial, we all had the opportunity to travel to different parts of the country. We also had the opportunity to really, in a deeper and closer way, be introduced to its theatrical, folk, and sonic histories during these trips. The Learning Garden is in itself a place that seeks to hold, on a web-based platform, the depth of research and the ideas that are being explored across the biennial and its multiple platforms. One of the things that was really important for us was to think about ideas of access, to think about notions of afterlife, also notions of effervescence. What are the ways in which the questions and the thematics in this particular edition of the biennial, what are the ways in which they can linger on for audiences to engage with over a longer period of time?